How to change Instagram grid layout. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram grid layout. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just select post. And now here, on the next page, to tell you upfrontly, Instagram itself does not allow rearranging old posts. So to plan a grid layout, you can use apps like Preview or UNUM. This app lets you plan how to make your feed look before posting. So with that, you can upload post in planned order, and once your grid is planned in the app, you can post your image or videos in the correct order to create a desired Instagram grid layout. And with that, you can use similar filters, colors, or themes for a cohesive look across your Instagram grid. So with that, Instagram does not allow you to rearrange already posted content. So plan your layout ahead of time with a grid planning app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.